These cool science facts are definitely the most interesting things you will learn today. In that video, you will learn about 20 amazing science facts. Fact number 1. The legs of tigers are so strong that they can remain standing even when they are dead. Fact number 2. If you bite a snake and you die, it's called poisonous. And if the snake bites you and you die, it's called venomous. Fact number 3. According to loop quantum gravity theory, at the center of the black hole, you would not die. Instead, you will be teleported to another universe through quantum theory. Fact number 4. Since light bends around heavy objects, we can actually see some stars located behind the sun, as you can see the image. Fact number 5. If you fill water in a bucket size of sun and pour it in the sun, then it will add mass to the sun and create 1.7 times bigger sun than the original one, and fry all the planets and heavenly bodies near it. Facts number 6. Scientists to shorten a minute from 60 seconds to 59 seconds, as reports says that speed of rotation of Earth is increasing considerably. Recently, a day was found to be 23 hours 59 minutes 59.9998927 seconds, which is a bit shorter than the usual. Fact number 7. The International Space Station ISS travels at a brisk 17.500 miles per hour, which is 28.163 kilometers per hour. That means it orbits Earth every 90 minutes. So it sees a sunrise every 90 minutes. Thus, every day, the residents of the ISS witness 16 sunrise and 16 sunsets. Fact number 8. Snails have an average of 1000 to 12,000 or more number of teeth. Those teeth have the ability to withstand the amount of pressure, which can even turn carbon into diamond. Fact number 9. The color of a star is directly linked to its surface temperature. The hotter the star, the shorter the wavelength of light it will emit. The hottest of stars are blue or blue-white, and the cooler ones are red or red-brown. Fact number 10. The oceans contains enough salt to cover all the continents to a depth of nearly 500 feet. Fact number 11. It is believed that when a person dies, they have 7 minutes of brain activity left. It's the mind playing the person's memories in a dream sequence. Fact number 12. The brain itself cannot feel pain, because it does not have any pain receptors. Fact number 13. Snakes can sense an earthquake from 75 miles, that is 121 km away, and up to 5 days before it happens. Fact number 14. We actually live about 80 milliseconds in the past because that's how long it takes our brain to process the informations. Fact number 15. Eating spicy food causes your brain to produce happy hormones like serotonin, which makes you better equipped to deal with depression, anxiety, anger, and stress. Fact number 16. A leech has 10 stomachs, 32 brains, 9 pairs of testicles, and several teeth. Fact number 17. Gold is so ductile that we can make 2.4 kilometers, around 1.5 miles of wire from 1 gram of it. Fact number 18. During the Roman time, salt was worth its weight in gold, and soldiers were sometimes paid in salt, and hence the word salary was discovered. Fact number 19. The candle flames are round and blue in zero gravity. Fact number 20. Many scientists believe that humans will achieve digital immortality by the year of 2050. We will be able to upload human mind into a computer and can be able to put it into another biological body later.